How to disable USB debugging option on Android device. First of all, you have to open up your setting and find and tap on the setting here. And here you have to scroll down and tap on the about phone here. So here you can see the about phone. You have to tap on the about phone or about device. Then you have to look for the option of build number here. So here you have to look for the option of build number or software or information. So here you can see the YAMAU version. So you have to tap on it repeatedly until you see saying it you are now a developer. Here you can see that I'm already a developer. You can see that. And after that you have to go back and in your main menu you should now see a option called developer option. So you have to scroll down and go for the additional setting. On your additional setting you can see the developer option. So under your developer option you can find the USB debugging option. You have to scroll down and find the USB debugging. Here you can see that once you have find the USB debugging if it is enabled, then you have to simply disable the USB debugging here. So you have to simply disable the USB debugging. So you have to tap on the toggle next to the USB debugging to turn it off. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily disable USB debugging option on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.